Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the third lesson, Unit 3, which is the time. Time is measured by clocks, calendars, seasons, winter, summer, spring is 9 o'clock, 2 a.m. is Monday. All these are called time. The units of time measuring by years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds. The greatest unit is years and the smallest unit seconds. If we need to convert from years to months, from months to weeks, look at this. 1 year, as we know, has 12 months, and 1 month has 4 weeks, and 1 month also has 30 days. 1 week has 7 days. 1 day has 24 hours. 1 day equals 24 hours, and 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and every minute equals 60 seconds. From the greatest units, year, to the smallest units, second. Okay, if we need to convert, as we learn in weight, in capacity, if we need to convert from the smallest unit to the greatest unit, we divide. We use the division operation. And if we need to convert from the greatest units to the smallest units, we multiply, use the times. The first one here, week. Convert from week to day, we multiply. As we know, week has 7 days, we will multiply by 7. If we need to convert from day to hour, every day equals 24 hours, so we will multiply by 24. Every hour contains 60 minutes. We will multiply times 60. And every minute equals 60 seconds. We will multiply times 60. Is not equal 7, 24, 60, 60. Is not equal. All these numbers are not equal. Like capacity 1000, like weight 1000. Okay, it's different. So if we need to convert, obviously from this second to minute, we divide also by 60. And from minute to hour, we divide also by 60. From hour to day, we divide by 24. From day to week, we divide by 7. If we have the first example, 3 weeks has space days. I need to convert from weeks to days. From the greatest to the smallest, we multiply. Multiply by what? Every week, any week. 1 week has 7 days, we will multiply by 7. So 3 times 7 equal to 21 days. So 3 weeks has 21 days. Next one, 2 days has spaced hours. We know that any day has 24 hours, so we will multiply or divide from the greatest day to hour to smallest. We will multiply by what? By 24. 2 times 24 equal 48 hours. 2 days has 48 hours. Next one, 96 hours has space days. From the greatest here, no, from the smallest. Hours smaller than days. So we will divide. Divide by what? We know that every day has 24 hours. Every day has 24 hours. So we will divide 96 by 24. It will be equal to 4 days. So 96 hours mean 4 days. Next one, 180 seconds equals space minutes. We need to convert from smallest to the greatest. Minutes greater than seconds. We will divide by, every minute has 60 seconds, so we will divide by 60. 180 divided by 60 12p 3 minutes. So every 180 seconds equal to 3 minutes. And the last one, 3 minutes equal to space seconds. 3 minutes equal to space seconds. We will need to convert from the greatest to the smallest, multiplying by what? By 60 in minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds, multiplied by 60. 3 times 60 equal to 180 seconds. So half of day mean 12 hours. Half of hour means 30 minutes. 1/3 of hour mean 20 minutes. 1/4 of hour mean 15 minutes. 1/2 of minutes mean 30 seconds. 1/4 of minute mean 15 seconds. This form is very useful to save this in any problem. First example, 140 minutes equals space hours. In this one, I need to convert from minutes to hours. From the smallest to the greatest, from the smallest to the greatest, we put divide. Now remember, from the smallest to greatest, divide. From the greatest to smallest, we multiply, use times. We divide by what? Every hour equal 60 minutes. We divide by 60. So 140 divided by 60, it will be like a long division. We will search for the nearest number to 14, which is 60. 1 times 60 equal to 60. 2 times 60 equal to 120. 3 times 60 equal 180. 12p greater than 140, we will choose this one. Up number 2 and down number 120. Then we subtract 0, 2, 0. It will be 2 hours and 20 minutes. This is the meaning of 140 minutes is equal to 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay? 20 minutes mean 1/3 of hour. Like this. 1/3 of hour mean 20 minutes. If I need to put this in the result, in the quotient, it will be 2 1/3. 1/3. Like this. 140 minutes equal to 2 1/3 minutes. How that? We divide 140 by 60 and we get the quotient equal 2 and the remainder here equal 20. The quotient will be the greatest units. The greatest units here hours, not minutes. The greatest units will be hours. And the smallest units, which is the remainder, is the minutes. So we get 2 hours and 20 minutes. And we say that one-third of hour equal to 20 minutes. So we put 1/3, replace 1/3. 220, it will be 2 1/3 hours. Next one, if I need to get 270 minutes equal space units from the smallest to greatest. Divide by what? Divide by 60. If I need to get this, divide 27 into equal hours. It will be 60 plus 60. Like puzzles, divide 270 into 2 into equal hours like this. 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 30. This number formed 270 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 of hours. Or we will we will divide as we do in the previous example. 270 divided by 60. We search for 270 in the timetable of number 60. It will be like this. 60, 120, 180, 4 equal 240, 5 equal 300. We will not choose 300 like this because it's greater than 270. We choose that 240. Put 4 up in the quotient, which is the greatest units. The greatest units here, hours or minutes, hours. It will be 4 hours in the whole part. Again, the quotient will be the greatest units. The greatest units here, not minutes, it's hours. So we put hours, which is 4 in the whole part. Okay? Next, we put 240 and subtract. As we learned in the operation in long division, it will be 30. 30 here is the smallest units. The smallest units, it will be minutes. It will be 4 hours, 4 hours and 30 minutes. And we learned that 30 minutes mean 1/2 of hour. 1/2 of hour means 30 minutes, and 30 minutes mean 1/2 of hour. It will be 4 hours and half of hour. 4.5 of hours. Okay? The last one. 1 hour and third equal minutes. We need to convert from the smallest and from the greatest. Hour to minutes. From the greatest to the unit, to the smallest. From the greatest to the smallest, we know that multiply. Multiply by what? Hour and minutes. Every hour equal to 60 minutes, we will multiply by 60. Multiply what? We don't have any number. We have a letter. Okay? 1 hour and third. Third mean 1 divided by 3. This is the fourth third. And 1 mean 1. But we don't need to convert the letter into the digits. Okay? I know that 1 hour mean 60 minutes. And third hour equal to 20 minutes. So 60 plus 20 equal to 80 minutes. Is the easy way. First, look to the letter, not convert this. Please, not convert this letter into digits. 1 hour will be 60 minutes, and third of hour not will be 1/3, it will be 20 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 20 minutes will be equal to 80 minutes. The last one, 1/4 an hour equal to space minutes. From the greatest to the smallest, we multiply by what? Multiply by 60. 1/4 of hour. 1/4 of hour mean 1/4 of hour. Hour has 60 minutes. If I do that, 1/4 times 60 equal to 12p. 60 times 1, and the denominator of 60, it will be 1. 60 times 1, and 4 times 1. It will be 60 divided by 4. Again, 1/4 of hour. 1/4 of an hour. Means that 1/4 multiplying by 60. So 1 times 60 equal to 60. And 4 times 1 equal to 4. It will be 60 divided by 4. 60 divided by 4 equal to look at the timetable of number 4. 1 times 4 12, 13, 14, 56, and after that 15 times 4 will be 60. So 60 down and 15 up, subtract 0, 0. The question here is 15 minutes, 1/4 of any hour. 1/4 of an hour equal to 15 minutes. How? 60 divided by 4. If I need to get 1/3 of an hour, it will be 60 divided by 3. If I need to get 1/8 divided by 8. Okay? 60 divided by 8, search for the nearest number to 60 in the timetable of number 8. Wherever, if I found it, I will take it. If I dig number 15, if I can't find it, you will search for the nearest number to 60. Okay? Thank you.